In this one we got the rather unfortunately named Snooperscope. It's a wireless camera for your smartphone. Don't know how well this is going to show up, but this is the original Kickstarter campaign. I can't even remember when this was out, but it's got to be so I don't know if the camera's going to zoom on that, but it says 2015. So that's the artist renders and such. Again, Snooperscope. So it was effectively a wireless camera that had built-in infrared LEDs, and it had an app on the phone that you could take photos and so on. I don't know how well this webpage is going to come out on the actual camera. And now on to the actual product. I'll just quickly flick back to the renders of what it was supposed to look like. That's what we got. So again, even though this camera's full HD, it doesn't seem to be creating very good videos. So there's the infrared LEDs I was talking about earlier. Case is held on by 4 screws, which I've already taken apart. There's a magnet literally just stuck in the back of the case, because it was designed to just shove it on any metal surface to get it to stick. There's a random key from the arcade. And yeah, this is a guts, so we've got a speaker. Don't know if it's going to focus. You can see just the IR board there. Underneath is the battery, which is a 3.7 volt lithium ion. And I can't see the... Oh, that's a bit annoying. They've stuck a blooming thing over it, so I can't tell you what the actual capacity is there. So yes, just paired it with a off-the-shelf camera setup and a little LED ring. Don't know if we can get that to pop off. I don't know how it actually pops off. Oh, there we go. So yeah, that's the board. The micro SD slot, microphone, wireless antenna. I was rather hoping this camera has some kind of markings on it, but I can't imagine it's anything too decent. We should, if I have a look through the specs on this Kickstarter, it'll probably tell me. Well, apparently the camera does 720p. According to this. Stretch goal number 3, I think, yeah. 720p camera. It's a 0.9 megapixel sensor, so it's rather light on the actual details. So yeah, it's not really much of a teardown. I suppose it's more of a look at, I suppose. I've had this blooming thing for years. Obviously the wireless module is a separate board. You see it there. And then you You just see the pads there, depending on how it comes on camera, for the serial console of the actual camera. Just going to figure out what the main chip is. I imagine it's like a same kind of chip that goes on a modem slash wireless router board thing. I don't think it'll be too impressive. Is that going to focus? It's high something or other, so HI 3516. I'll see if I can pull up the data sheet for that. Just pause the video a minute. So can't find the exact one. I found one that's like fairly similar to it. So ARM Cortex A7 at 900 megahertz, which, you know, it's effectively a dedicated IP camera processor, which kind of makes sense because that's pretty much all that this board, that won't focus, would it? That's pretty much all that this board is. It's just a wireless IP camera, really. So yeah. See if we can take these this board off of here, off the camera a bit. I'd like to know what this actual sensor is, so hopefully there's some markings on it somewhere. Yeah. Well, teeny tiny little sensor. Date code of 19th of the 7th 2014. I can't believe how small that sensor actually is. So yeah, there's the other side of that lens, which they've put a bit of glue on the threads. Don't even see that, just showing up a little bit. IPDV V1 sensor, so whatever that is.